Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Trupanion Pet Insurance Review My US. Trupanion Pet Insurance Review My US offers pet insurance for cats and dogs in the United States. It aims to protect pet owners from unexpected veterinary bills by covering a percentage of eligible costs for accidents, illnesses, and some hereditary conditions. Key features appear to include comprehensive coverage and direct payment to veterinarians. Their website provides details on coverage options, pricing, and the claim process. Trupanion emphasizes a simplified claims process and direct payment to veterinarians, which they say reduces the hassle for pet owners. They promote a 90% coverage rate for eligible expenses after the deductible. There's no mention of specific contracts or hidden fees on their main page, which is a plus. They appear to distinguish themselves by offering lifetime coverage, as opposed to per incident or annual limits. You can check availability and get a personalized quote on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Trupanion Pet Insurance Review My US. I recently signed up my Labrador, Max, for Trupanion's plan. Getting started was pretty straightforward, their website is user-friendly and the quote process was quick. I entered Max's breed, age, and zip code, and they instantly gave me a few coverage options with different deductible amounts. I chose the $500 deductible option. Navigating the interface was easy. The policy documents were clearly laid out and accessible online. After Max unfortunately sprained his leg during a particularly enthusiastic game of fetch, I took him to the vet. The vet's office submitted the claim directly to Trupanion, which was incredibly convenient. I didn't have to worry about filing paperwork or paying the full amount upfront. Within a couple of days, Trupanion processed the claim, and the vet received the payment directly. I received an email notification outlining the covered expenses and my portion of the bill. I was really impressed by how smoothly the entire process went, especially during a stressful time. The standout feature for me was definitely the direct payment to the vet. One minor drawback was that the online portal, while functional, could be a bit more visually appealing and modern. It took me a little while to find the claims history section. I also contacted customer support with a question about adding a wellness plan, and they responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Trupanion. While the online portal could use some minor improvements, the ease of use, direct payment system, and quick claims processing made the whole experience much less stressful than I anticipated. That's my overview of Trupanion Pet Insurance Review My US. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.